In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a demo trading account set up and linked to MetaTrader 5, so you can start practicing your trades in a risk-free environment. First, open your browser and head over to the Vantage website. If you don't already have an account with them, you'll need to sign up. Just complete their registration process and log into your client portal. Once you're inside the portal, look for the section labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click on that to see a list of your existing trading accounts. Next, find the small arrow or expand icon next to your accounts list and click it. This usually reveals more options, including different account types you can open. From those options, choose Demo Account. This is important because a demo account lets you practice using virtual funds instead of real money. Now click on Open Account. You will be taken to a setup page where you can configure the details of your new demo account. One of the first choices you'll see is the trading platform. Here, make sure you select MetaTrader 5 as your platform. This is what allows Vantage and MT5 to talk to each other. Confirm again that you're opening a demo account, then move on to the account settings. Choose the account type that best matches how you want to trade, such as a standard or raw spread account, depending on what Vantage offers you. After that, select your account currency. In this example, choose USD so your balance and profit and loss will be displayed in US dollars. Next, you'll need to choose your leverage. Leverage controls how large a position you can open relative to your balance, so pick a level you're comfortable with, especially if you're planning to mirror this later on a live account. Once you've chosen, confirm your selection. You'll then be asked to set an account balance for your demo funds. Click on the account balance field and select the amount you want to practice with. Try to choose a balance similar to what you might realistically deposit in a live account, so your practice results feel more realistic. When everything looks good, click on Submit to create the demo account. At this point, Vantage will send you an email with your MetaTrader 5 login credentials. Open your email and look for the message that contains your server name, login number, and password. Now open your MetaTrader 5 application. At the top left, click on File, then select Open an Account. In the search box, type Vantage and let MetaTrader find the available Vantage servers. Choose the server that matches the details from your email, then follow the on-screen prompts. When asked, select Existing Trade Account and enter the login and password from your email. Once you finish the prompts and click OK, MetaTrader 5 should connect to your Vantage demo account. You'll know it's connected when you see price quotes updating and your demo balance displayed in the terminal. You're now ready to explore the platform and start placing practice trades through Vantage using MetaTrader 5.